Hey, Donnie! It's turtle time!
Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles!
Leonardo, Donatello, Michelangelo, Raphael. 4 ninja fighting turtles who battle evil from the sewers of New York City.
You can never get a taxi in this town. Let's take the sewer slider or the shell cycle.
With their ninja skills and weapons, they're gonna turtleize the evil Shredder.
Turtle power! It's time to come out of your shell.
New Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles action figures and vehicles, each sold separately from Playmates Toys.
Yo! It's Turtle Mutating time!
You know the story. 4 baby turtles fall into toxic ooze and mutate into Donatello, Raphael, Michelangelo, Leonardo with mutacious weapons.
Mean and green!
But evil can mutate too.
Shredder! Now you have the power to mutate the turtles and fight evil.
Shredder, you lose in the ooze!
It's time to come out of your shell. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles mutation figures with weapons, each sold separately. New from Playmates Toys. Why are the turtles decked out in their new fighting gear? Because we're tracking down evil in our new turtle tracker. It's loaded with secret turtle weapons.
Yo, Shredder, check out what's under the hood.
It's got turtle power steering, ninja down. And for more battle action, bring on the battle shell with 4 places to fire out.
Cowabunga!
The turtle tracker and battle shell, tracking down evil. It's time to come out of your shell. Turtle figures, battle shell, and new turtle tracker, each sold separately from Playmates Toys.